Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase open house attendance with Sotheby's International Realty step by step clearly. Promote the open house through multiple channels. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Create visually appealing posts that highlight key features of the property. Engage with local community groups online to share the event. Use email marketing to inform your existing client base. Craft an enticing property description. Focus on unique selling points that differentiate the property. Highlight nearby amenities and community features. Use descriptive language that paints a vivid picture. Add high-quality photos to make the listing more attractive. Host a pre-event preview for select guests. Invite local real estate agents and potential buyers for an exclusive first look. This creates buzz and encourages word-of-mouth promotion. Serve light refreshments to make it more inviting. Schedule the open house at optimal times. Research local events and holidays to avoid conflicts. Consider hosting during peak times, like weekends. Avoid scheduling during local sporting events or other major happenings. Create a professional invitation. Design an eye-catching digital invitation that reflects Sotheby's branding. Include all essential details such as date, time, and location. Make sure to highlight any special features or incentives. Utilize sign-in sheets at the event. Gather contact information from attendees for future follow-up. Consider offering a small incentive for sign-ups, like a raffle entry or gift card. Engage with attendees during the open house. Be prepared to answer questions and provide detailed information about the property. Encourage feedback to understand attendees' impressions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.